wanna just sell on your haters.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome in or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Zania Shy. Sorry, I have a comb in my hand, so I'm just like, okay. So today is June 11th, 2019. Those of you who are subscribed, do watch, have me on social media, knows that June 11th, 2000. Wait, did I say 2018? If I did, I meant 2019. But you guys know that June 11th, 2018, I did a big chop.
Feel the jazz, this got flow, that guy Pablo not. Who want a problem?
I went from about top of my boob length hair to looking like a baby dyke with like a mini curly fro, whatever. So the reason behind all that is my ends from about not even mid.
So my hair is wet. I'm gonna be sick, but my curls didn't come out right yesterday, so I had to retry, and they're still wet.
But about, my hair was down, so about here down was just straight damaged. So a lot of heat damage. I did a lot of straightening of my hair in school, in beauty school, straightening my hair at home just to straighten my hair. So my hair was really damaged. When I washed it, it would be like curly all at the roots, and then like a curl, then straight, a curl, then straight, a curl, then straight. Very ugly, very disgusting. So I realized my hair had a lot of heat damage, so I cut it. I cut my hair, and I just pretty much rocked my mini fro until it started to grow out all last summer. I did straighten my hair for the first time since, I think it was, I cut my hair in June. So 5 months after I cut my hair, I straightened it. Just like kind of like a lymph check, a little bit.
If I don't do it, she gon' do it. We don't feel that mission. That's right. We pre
It was literally straight for like 2 weeks, and then I like washed my hair again. And went back to my curls. So then my hair has just been in like, you know, the curly puff or
hard work, no tricks. Niggas mad cause they can't get a flow like this. Got dope like a flipping bricks. Pay attention.
Do like a blowout sleek ponytail. So it's been like that from November up until now. This is a blowout. I think it's like a 4-day-old blowout that I just kind of threw into a ponytail, well, a bun for work. And yeah, so I'm gonna take this down and we're gonna see how long my hair is. Now I'm gonna post pictures and stuff, like videos if I can, on the sides so that you guys can see. But this is what my hair looks like now. So first of all, this bun is like real tight, and y'all know my hair is super thick, so even though I cut it, I still have a lot, like I have a lot of hair. I just had short hair. It wasn't as long as it was, and it is 2 colors now because it was red. Wow, this is this. Woo. Okay, so we're gonna comb that out. I don't know if y'all can hear this, but it sounds like crunching apples. My hair is like, I hate blowing it out because I feel like it's still dirty. But this is my fro. Well, not my fro because it's like stretched out and stuff. But this is my hair now. I should have worn a lighter shirt because my ends are burgundy and my shirt is burgundy. But the back of my hair, not straightened because I haven't straightened it yet, comes about here, and it is cut in layers. And then wait, let's part this straight because my part is a little off to the side, because I be so rough with my hair and so gentle when I do other people's hair. It's crazy. Like I be combing my mom's hair super gentle, and she's like, you can comb harder than that. But the front of my hair, it's still layered cut because the way it was cut originally. So without just a blowout, the front of my hair comes here. So the front of my hair, well, the top part of my hair doesn't really touch this yet. And then like the middle is a little down. So this is my hair. 1 year. Big chop. I am not cutting it again. It is perfectly healthy from root to tip. It's curly from root to tip. Anybody who follows me on like Instagram or stuff, or mainly Snapchat, even though I've kind of been like very MIA on social media a little bit, well, on Snap and stuff. You know, you guys always see me with the curly puff at the top of my head, just because that's easier to do, it's easier to manage. It's just fun to do and how to wear my hair and stuff. But this is a blowout. It's a 4-day-old blowout. I am going to straighten my hair because I do need a trim. I'm not gonna trim it because I can't see I can't see the back of my hair, and I'm gonna be cutting like this, looking like crazy. Not gonna happen. But yeah, so pretty much an update. I still don't do anything to my hair. You guys know I say in a lot of videos I don't touch my hair. I don't really do my hair. It'll be in like the same style for weeks and weeks and weeks, and that works for me. That may not work for anyone else, but that definitely works for me. Like, I can leave my hair in a ponytail, excuse me, for about a week or so until it's time to wash it again. Then I wash it and I'll decide either I'm gonna do a blowout or I'm gonna just leave it curly, put all my products in it if I leave it curly, and my hair is like that for like a week or so. If it's when it's curly, I tend to leave it in whatever style for like 2 weeks because my curly hair is a lot. Like, my curly hair is a lot to manage and deal with and reactivate and all that stuff. So I tend to do less with my curly hair than I do with my bone straight hair or my blowout hair. Like, when our hair is blown out, because I still have color from when I colored it when I graduated beauty school last year. So I'm gonna get a little closer because you guys can see this is my color. So all of this is what was left on my hair. From here to the end was left on my hair when I did my chop originally, and then from here to here is my new growth, like all of my hair that grew out. I like to, somebody asked me was I gonna cut it again and chop off all the red, but I'm not, because of the fact that right now my red is like my length indicator for me. So the longer my hair gets, the further down my red is gonna go, until, like, I'm gonna get my trims. I'm gonna go back to get my trims regularly like I'm supposed to. But as of right now, I keep doing this, that looks ugly. As of right now, my red is my length indicator, because of the fact that I know, and now that you guys know, that when I originally chopped my hair off, all of the red is what was left on my head. And that's pretty much it. So when my hair is blown out, I tend to moisturize it. I mean, I moisturize my hair regularly, pretty much curly, straight. I try to keep my hair moisturized because of the fact that I have the color. It's not lightener under the color. This is just straight color thrown on my head. But I try to make sure that my hair stays moisturized because of the fact that it sucks up moisture. Like, as soon as you put it in, it's like, oh my god, my hair feels so dry. So I try to keep it moisturized as often as possible and as much as I can, so that in between trims, it's not falling out a lot, like it's not shedding a lot, because I do shed like a damn dog. And you know, it just, things happen. But for the most part, I don't really touch my hair. The less manipulation you do to your hair, the more it grows. For me, this may not work for anyone else. You may need to manipulate your hair a lot more, but for me, the less manipulation I do to my hair, the more it grows. I do make my own, like I did post a video of me starting my business, and I do make hair growth oil for myself as well. Sorry, I make, you know, the limb strength and the scalp help for general self purposes, but I also now make oils tailored to what your hair needs. So for me, I need moisture. I need growth. Everyone wants growth, so of course I put in the oils for growth, but I really need moisture, so I kind of stick to the oils that are really moisturizing, and then kind of like go from there and use those. I don't do my hair though. Like, I can't stress this enough, guys. I really don't do my hair. I'm not saying to everybody, like, just go out here and do your hair once a week or do your hair twice a week and just don't touch your hair, because that may not work for you. That may, you know, cause damage for your hair. Everyone's hair is different, just like everyone, period, is different. Things work differently for other people. But me just not really touching my hair works for me. I still take my biotin. I be forgetting lately. Like, I've been like stressed out and not remembering. But I do take my biotin. And I drink water. Like, I drink a lot of water. I drink soda as well, so don't think like, oh, you gotta cut soda completely. No, I drink soda and juice, but I'm like a green tea juice drinker. So whenever I do drink juice, it's like green tea. I love green tea, hot, cold, matcha, latte, iced. I love it. Like, I just like green tea. And I do drink water. I get the, girl, y'all will not believe, Walmart has a 40 case of water, and I get like 3 or 4 every time I go get water. And I go through them so fast. Between me and my son, we go through them so fast. But that's pretty much really all I do. So I don't do my hair. When I say it like that, it just sounds so bad. But I don't do my hair. I drink water. I take my biotin pills, and I keep my hair moisturized. Like, even if you don't have color in your hair, you still gotta keep your hair moisturized. Your hair needs, the same way you moisturize your face after you wash your face in the morning, you have to moisturize your hair and keep your hair, you know, shiny, healthy looking. If it's not healthy, there's ways to make your hair look healthy if it's not healthy. But everyone, the goal is healthy hair. So just, you know, drink your water, eat right, because what you put inside affects the outside too. So like the same way what you eat affects your skin, what you eat also affects your hair growth. Not saying stop eating what you want to eat, just drink a lot of water. Like, drink a lot of water, get your trims every 6 to 8 weeks. You know, if you have dry scalp, I say wash your hair at least once a week. Like, for me personally, I've noticed lately I've had a very bad case of dry scalp, so I wash my hair once a week, and I deep condition my hair every 2 weeks. Now, lately I've been slacking because I've been working a lot, which is why I haven't been uploading, so I'm sorry. But lately I've been, you know, just not, I've been washing my hair every 3 months. That, you know what though, that worked for me too. Like, I wash my hair. I normally wash my hair at least once a week or every 2 weeks, and then I deep condition my hair almost every time I wash my hair. Sorry, my nose itches. But lately I've been washing my hair like every 2 to 3 months. That is work purposes as well, because I've just been really busy, really tired between work and koi. It's like, I don't got time. And then I have a lot of hair, so it takes a while. Like, wash day is literally an all-day process. So yeah. And I noticed in doing that, my hair grows as well. And I've always done that. Like, when I first transitioned from relaxed to natural, I would leave my hair dirty for months and months and months. But I was doing that just to see how much my hair grew, where my curls started, where my relaxed hair was. Like, that was just like an experimental thing for me. But then I realized like my hair was growing a lot when I was doing that, so I just continued to do it. I still do it to this day. Like, as you can see, I just said I still do it. But I don't tell people to do that because, well, I need to go. Not everybody likes to do that. Not everybody wants dirty hair. But what I also noticed is the longer I leave my hair dirty, my skin breaks out. So I've been back to washing my hair every week, deep conditioning every 2 weeks, moisturizing every other day. Well, every 4 days I moisturize my hair after I wash it, because I got my skin clear. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I got my skin really clear, except for like my pigmentation and stuff. But there's like not a pimple in sight. And y'all know, sis been trying to clear her skin since puberty hit at 13. But lately I've been, no matter what I do, I wash my face. I don't care. I'm dog crap tired. I wash my face. I moisturize my face. I mask my face. My skincare is like a must. I wash my hair. Like, I washed my hair like 2 days ago. I didn't want to. No, I'm lying. Like almost 4 days ago. I think this blowout was like 4 days old, something like that. But I make sure I wash my face, because once I get my skin clear and be brown, but that's not the purpose of the video. But yes, so that's pretty much all I do. I don't really do much. I was trying to go, it's like a freaking piece of hair sticking up her hair. I was trying to go all summer without straightening my hair because y'all know straight hair and the heat don't mix. Mixed girls, black girls, white girls, listen, straight hair and the heat don't mix. So I was trying to do like no heat for the summer, continue the no heat, because since November it's been like 7 months no heat, and I've gotten a lot of growth in them 7 months. So we're trying to continue the pattern, but I kind of want to do a length check before I braid my hair up, so I just may straighten it. I don't know. My ends are not like fully straight, like a full straight fresh blowout, because of the fact I've been wearing my hair in a bun, so my ends have been like folded down. But when I blew it out the other day, it like touches the back of my shoulder a little further down, so I was like mad hype, you know. But yeah, that's about it. I'm on here barefaced, but I felt like, why get all dolled up to tell y'all about my hair? I was just gonna do this anyway. So yeah, that's it. That's what I do. That's what I don't do. This is my hair now. I will insert pictures and videos of my hair when I cut it last year, and I'm gonna try to get more videos up for you guys, so please don't kill me. But if this, I'm not gonna say if this video was helpful because I didn't really give y'all no tips, but if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, still give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and we're gonna get the ball rolling and try to be more consistent. I'm aiming for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for upload dates. We're gonna try that next week. So I'm gonna try to get like so many videos filmed that I got a video for every day of the week that I'm trying to put a video out, you know. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.
This that flow, that guy Pablo not who want a problem, nigga. The more money I be getting up my problems, nigga. I'd rather deal with rich dilemmas than them broke procedures. I'm about to shake the game, Triple H having seizures. Damn, no disrespect to people that be having seizures, but I've been doing this since I had a Caesar. Now I'm bald, tryna rule like Caesar, and they want my black ink next to X like Caesar. There you go again, switching up his flow again. Hustle made adrenaline, made the hustle so I better win. Late nights talking Letterman, all these other kids that flow, that guy Pablo not, I'm spitting crack, nigga.